Sunday afternoon, 12:19 p.m. I'm heading to the studio now. I have a couple lessons. I'm gonna work on some stuff. It's gonna be a great day, guys. I feel good. It's gonna be a great week. Don't forget your purpose. Don't forget the reason why you're here. And if you don't know the reason why you're here, I urge you to search for it. I urge you to try new things. I urge you to go and explore, take risks, because you never know, that risk that you take may absolutely change your life. And all in all, we were made for one thing, is to help each other out. Sometimes your purpose is not just to do something for yourself, but sometimes a purpose could be doing something for somebody else. So remember that. Take a risk. I'm finally here. Made it. Traffic was amazing, dude. Like, usually there's a little bit of a backup, but made it okay. Just grabbing my stuff. Because I have a remote and then an in-person lesson, and I gotta do some other work. But yeah, here we go. You have to interpret a dance. There you go. Are you happy now? Nope.
Day here in Riverside, and we're gonna go have breakfast with Richie's parents right now at one of our favorite local spots called Mission Burgers.
Okay, the reason why we're laughing is because Mission Burgers is right here, but back in Tennessee there's a place called Mission Barbecue. So we
keep swapping the names.
So we have to say Mission, think about it, Burgers or Mission Barbecue.
It's gonna be a pretty chill day. We're gonna have dinner with his grandparents later tonight at the Mission Inn, and in the afternoon I have a hair appointment, a wax appointment that I'm gonna go to by myself, and I think Richie's gonna do a quick Target run.
Do you not want to go with me to Target? I think it'll be fun.
I just got to the hair salon, so I'm about to go cut my hair. I think I'm actually going to be getting like several inches off. But yeah, I'm excited to see Mariana. Oh. Wow, and the queen herself who did it for me. Yeah. Have a good one. Thank you, you too.
That's so good. You have to take shortcuts, of course.
sweater. Here, Richie.
Hey. Doesn't it look good though?
It looks so
it
pretty.
looks real
It
good.
looks so fresh.
It is fresh. I don't see it. I'm just gonna for the vlog. Look what Richie got.
It's a bad word. I just heard cookie. I didn't know there was a word on it.
No, he knew. He knew what he was getting himself into. I just heard cookie.
You want this part or this part?
A Valley Girl cheers. We got the cute heart straws too.
Oh my god, I didn't even
Heart everything. I know.
See your mom's?
No. What is
You see it?
take your pictures again, girls.
it? Okay. Okay, we're gonna try the Valley Girl latte right now.
It is a matcha. I think it's with a blueberry cold foam at the top or marshmallow.
Blueberry marshmallow.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know how, but I can taste the sweetness.
Oh, I love
the syrup. It's really good. It's really nice and sweet.
But not like too much. It's like it's very creamy. Kind of reminds me of something nostalgic.
Chelsea and Jason.
I know. Oh, it's so good.
That is really yummy.
Richie, what did you get?
I got
shots.
a quad shot vanilla latte.
Okay, you did get vanilla.
Yeah, it's just a vanilla latte. However, I did just try the Valley Girl. The
That's
Valley
right.
Girl. It is the matcha with the blueberry.
Yep.
A little shook because I don't like matcha.
The Valley Girls know what's up.
Yeah, with the fam.
We just finished dinner right now and we're gonna go get boba. Highly recommended place. Yeah, by @exploration on Instagram and YouTube. Quick Target stop on the way home. Back at the OG Target. It's Saturday and today is the big day. It's Ariona and Marcus's engagement party. So we're just around the corner from her house right now. Obviously we picked up some balloons for some of the decor that they needed. I'm so excited to see Ari, my bestie. I haven't seen her since September, which is insane. Yeah, it's gonna be such a fun day. And these balloons keep coming up. It reminds me of when we were moving, what our car looked like when we moved. You guys know what our car looked like when we moved.
Oh boy.
Look at what a good job everyone did for the decor. Look how cute. So the theme for her party is Love on Cloud 9. So we got some little mini clouds. That's the bridesmaids table. They even got a white jumper for the kids that are coming. The bar area. And the soon-to-be bride and groom. Cute.
We are excited. It's nice and cool. It's not super hot. Quite comfy actually.
It's very cloudy. I'll put a clip in right now, but it's actually really nice. I thought it was gonna be hot, but it's not.
mission to bring the gospel to the entire world. We gotta unite. We need other churches. The atmosphere changed.
Yeah, oh, change.
Hey, lunch with Keenan.
Lunch with Keenan.
Keenan's our photographer for the, what's it called, gender reveal. Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo.
Wow.
That's grandpa, baby.
Okay, you ready?
Hey, Mandies! Who thinks it's a girl? Who thinks it's a girl? Who thinks it's a boy? Yeah, we think it's a boy. We think it's a
You ready? On a 1, 2.
Here comes the twins! Oh, good job, Charlie, good job!
Right? Hey, let's take a picture, Adam.
Stop.
Put the finger up.
Mandies and Daniel just did the gender reveal and they're having a boy. And I'm so excited. I knew that it was going to be a boy. I doubted myself for a little bit, but I'm so excited. We'll have another little nephew in the family.
Does that feel tight enough?
Okay, Sid. Yes. Just take it.
All right, abuse them already.
Alright, we're just gonna kick your side like that, okay? Just for a simple show off.
7 hours later. And we still waited.
Kick your socks first so the husband's gonna do it. Kick your little harder. I can bring out the bags.
How about if you stand sideways, like you kick him in the stomach?
Do you want me to get
How do you feel, bro? Hold on, ready? Let me scoot up, You ready?
Oh.
On your mark, get set, go!
Look at her go! Yeah, Summer!
Bye, Summer.
Bye!
My B-roll.
No more B-roll. We're gonna go get coffee at Molino's in downtown Riverside right now. And we're also matching. So Reyes gave me this hat from an event that she went to. And we're both wearing the brand's merch right now.
The boots.
So we're the Book sisters today.
It's a floral company, if you can't tell.
Yeah, she's a florist.
Literally florist. And
We're on our way to work.
assistant.
She don't like her drink. She got matcha.
It's thick,
Oh.
coconut syrup, and tastes very sweet, and tastes like I'm drinking a shake.
That's her complaint. And my drink is amazing. Our,
Has too much cinnamon.
I'm not a cinnamon girl, so I wouldn't have ordered horchata latte. My drink is probably the best. Ari, if you're watching this, if you're watching this, I got our iced dirty vanilla chai at Molino's, and it's so good. It reminds me of our little coffee dates that we used to come on here, but my drink is the best.
I don't like it.
Mom, what do you think of these?
We just got to Newport Beach. We had to make the drive out to at least come for a few hours. It's been a while since we've come out to the beach. Well, obviously. No, we came to Laguna last time we were here.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
But we haven't been to Newport in a long time. We used to come here when I was in college because my college was like 10 minutes away. And I'm so happy to be here. This is like the perfect weather right now too.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah.
Well, we've had these before. We're not.
Rate
we're
the corn
acting-
dogs.
We're acting like it's our first time, but
Rate Jane's corn dogs.
The beach food. It's awesome. It's delicious.
it kind of reminds me of the Disneyland ones.
No, don't do that.
Oh, are those ones
Disneylands
better?
are better.
Ooh, okay.
There's more meat in there.
I see that.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you've been to Newport, you probably have been here too. I feel like everyone who's been here has been to Jane's because they have
Ice cream.
all of like the classic, honestly, like fair food. It's everything fried. They have French fries. They have the frozen bananas. What do you call them? Just frozen bananas. Like you don't need to go anywhere else. Thank you.
Everyone put your ice creams in.
Oh.
I came in like.
So good.
Very good.
I ordered the praline pecan, and it has butterscotch like in the ice cream.
Butterscotch?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't know that. That sounds good.
it's so good. Oh.
I got the chocolate chip cookie though.
Look at that!
It's a full ice cream cone still. She's
It's a
holding it
mess.
at the bottom.
How am I supposed to eat this?
And look at
Stop!
what do you have to say for yourself?
I ate the part I wanted.
She got the dipped cone, so I guess she ate the good part.
I ate the chocolate and peanut part.
Look at the fingerprints. They look like little bird claws. She's a florist. I'm a florist. We just stopped at the Riverside Cookie Shop over by the Brockton Arcade. So we got some cookies for my dad because tomorrow is his birthday. So we're unfortunately leaving right before. So we're not going to be able to celebrate with him on his actual birthday. So we got him some chocolate cookies. So we have the Cocoa Puff, chocolate espresso, and the chocolate chip cookie because he's a chocolate fan. And then we also got a few cookies to take home. My favorite is the Just a Cookie, which are like the plain ones. And I know it sounds really boring, but there's just something about it. Like,
Underrated,
oh,
man.
so good. And then I also got the Earthquake, and Richie got like a peanut butter something, which is this one right here at the corner.
We actually used this Riverside Cookie Shop for our wedding.
Oh yeah, we did
reception.
have
We got
cookies.
like a bunch of cookies for the wedding, and they were gone like within minutes.
Yeah, I totally forgot that we had them there. We're stopping at Earth Cafe right now at LAX. But look at all these pastries. These things are huge. We just ordered our drinks at Earth Cafe right now. I got a blended green tea and Richie got a fruit smoothie.
Strawberry pineapple smoothie. I didn't know they can do that. I was just gonna get the strawberry one, but I took a chance and they made my dreams come true.
No, we're not really hungry right now. We ate like a couple hours ago.
We had chorizo burritos with Mike.
Yeah, my
Sarah's
dad brought all the goods.
And it was good. So good.
So now we're just getting something kind of refreshing. I'm sure I'll probably get hungry like right before we get on the plane probably, but yeah, we just got some yummy drinks. So hopefully that should be good until we get home.
Yeah.
That's nice. Ooh, delicious.